What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Stream on Twitch with Music. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stream on Twitch with music. Now, let's start. First, you have to open your OBS Studio. On the OBS, navigate to the settings, which can be found on the lower left of your screen. Go to Audio. On Global Audio Devices, disable your desktop audio over here and desktop audio too as well. After that, just click Apply, then exit this one, then go back again on your settings. This time, go to Output. On the Output mode, click the drop down and choose Advanced. Go to Streaming tab. You will check Twitch VOD track, then put it on 6 over here, then click Apply. Then here, you can add your audio sources. To add audio sources, just hit the plus sign button over here, navigate to the application audio capture, then click OK. From here, you want to select the audio source. On the window drop down over here, I will select Spotify and click OK. There, you can already see it on your audio mixer over here. You can adjust the volume however you want. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if this video helped you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.